Hi, looking for a 3 BHK flat in Rajapushpa Provincia? Then you are in right place. Let's go through the flat video.
Looking for a luxurious and spacious home in a prime location? This 3 BHK east-facing flat in Rajapushpa Provincia, Narsingi, is now available for rent. Spread across 2,020 square feet, this apartment is perfect for families seeking a comfortable lifestyle in a premium gated community. Rajapushpa Provincia is known for its world-class amenities and excellent connectivity. The clubhouse and swimming pool are fully operational, offering residents access to fitness, leisure, and recreation. The community is located close to Outer Ring Road, ORR, ensuring smooth travel to major IT hubs and seamless access to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. The flat features spacious interiors with ample natural light, modern design, and quality fittings. With 24/7 security, power backup, and landscape green spaces, this is an ideal environment for families and working professionals alike. Don't miss out on this opportunity to live in one of Narsingi's most sought-after communities. Contact 8074-558667 for more details.
If you are interested in a flat, please call us. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more flat videos. Thank you.